Hello folks, let's come to the part 3 video of this exercise 3.4 and let's quickly get across doing this work and let's see how it is going to come up. They have asked us to find the inverse of 2 cross 2. We've been doing it for quite some problem, so let's continue doing it. Let's count this as A. Let A be this matrix, so we can have maybe the famous equation A equal to IA, where A is 3152 and now we could have we see that this R1 and R2, 3 and 5, we always appreciate that R1 should be of the biggest value, but that is not happening here. So not that big a value, so therefore we are going to go for an interchange. R1 and R2 we will interchange such that 5 will come here, 5 2 and 3 1. Same thing will happen on the other side. We will have this. Okay, you should be getting a 1 here. Whatever way you do, you can get the 1. Whatever you can try, either by adding or subtracting, whatever you can get, you have to get a 1 here. So let's first do R1 minus R2. As I said, there are different ways of doing it. Let's try this method and see how it is coming. When we subtract minus 3 minus 1, you're getting 2 1 and 3 1. Here when you're subtracting minus 1 1 1 0, we are not able to get the 1 here. We wanted the 1 is not there. In order to get 1, you have to again subtract if you want, and you get minus 1 like that, or you directly divide by 2. That way also it's okay. That's your wish. Whatever way you want, you can do it. Let's divide R1 by 2 so that you get 1 right away. So what will happen? This will be 1, this will be half, and this will be minus half, 1 0 8 3 1 here. So this is done. Now if you have to get 0 here, we know we always do R2 minus whatever that we require. So it is going to be operator on R2 minus 3R1 will probably give that. So you have 1 and half here, this will become 0, this is 3 by 2. So it will become like minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is actually 1 and a half. So 1 minus 1 and a half is minus half actually. So it's minus half. Or you can do technically by your fractions, you get it. Then here it is minus half and half, R2 minus 3R1, so plus 3 by 2, then minus 3 by 2, so this is 5 by 2. You can do the into 2 like that in mind. It is like 1 and a half plus 1. 1 and a half plus 1. How much is it going to be? Like that also you can take it. So this is minus 3 by 2. So this is achieved now. Here you have to get a 1 here. If you have to get a 1, you have to multiply by minus 2. We'll get a 1. So let's do that and see if it's going to work. Let's take the R2 operated by R2 into minus 2. So let's see what happens. We'll have 1 and half. R2 operated by into minus 2 means it will become 1. So minus half into minus 2 means minus 5, into minus 2 means 3 and 8, right? So much is achieved. Now this half has to go. If the half has to go, it has to become half minus half. So that you can do here. R1 can become R1 minus half times R2, right? So like this will be half and that way it will become 0. So it will become 1 0 0 1. That's done. Now here you say check minus half R2. So minus half means it is plus 5 by 2. Minus half R2 minus 3 by 2. And let's check what happens here. 5 by 2 is 2 and a half. 2 and a half minus half is 2. Okay, you can use that common sense. Or you can do technically by fractions itself. Then half minus 1 and a half. So it will be minus 1. Or you can take the fraction and do it. Minus 5, 3, 8. I'll just check whether it is correct. Yes. Therefore, A inverse is 2 minus 1 minus 5 3. Alright, so let's continue with the next problem also. Let a be this, also let a be equal to ia, where a for us is 4 5 3 4, I for us is 1 0 0 1 a. Right, this is good, it's the biggest one. So you have r1, we can operate r1 minus r2 so as to get the 1 there. So this is minus 3 minus 4, so you're getting 1 1 3 4, and this is r1 minus r2, so it is 1 minus 1 0 1 a. Then you get r1 r2 operated on r2, you have 3 r1, so what will come? 1 1 minus 3 minus 3, so it is 0 and 1. Right away you have got this also. Here it is minus 3 r1, so it is 1 minus 1 minus 3 plus 3, so 4 a. Right, now you get a 0 here, so r1 operated by r1 minus r2 can give it 0, so you have 1 0 0 1, and see what is happening here. It is minus r2, so it is plus 3 and it is minus 4, so it is like 4 and minus 5 minus 3 4 2. Yes, so our A inverse is 4 minus 5 minus 3. Right, right way. Let's put the next problem also. This is our A. Let A be this. Also let A be equal to IA. Right. Now r1 minus r2. Then this has to become 0, so r2 becomes r2 minus 2 r1, so it's like minus 2 minus 6, so 1 3 0 1 minus 2 plus 2, so minus 2 3 8, so r1 becomes r1 minus 3 r2, so that will be 1 0 0 1, 3 r2 minus 3 r2 means plus 6, minus 3 r2 means minus 9. Yes, so this will come to 7, this will come to minus 10, this will come to minus 2, this will come to 3, and this is A. Let me check if it's okay. Perfectly. So therefore A inverse is 7 minus 10 minus 2 3. Right, so 2 cross 2 becomes easy. Now when we are okay with 2 cross 2, suddenly a 3 cross 3 comes, and that's a little bit of deal. Follow more steps, that's all. So that's about it. With new problems, we come in the next video. Thank you.